Good morning, YouTubers. As you know, I am on a quest to lose weight, and I'm currently on a search for the best meal replacement shake. I would like it to be keto friendly. It doesn't need to be carb free, like zero carbs, but it needs to have respectable vitamins and minerals, and I would like to find something that I can read every ingredient. I'm not bashing Slim Fast, but I guess I have to, because I look on the back of one of those bottles and I just can't pronounce half the shit. So I've been using a product called Huel, Huel, short for human fuel, and it's not bad. It's very neutral tasting. It's like oatmeal with whatever flavor you decide to add, and it's very, very, I will say, tolerable. It's not enjoyable like per se a cheeseburger or a piece of bacon, and I understand a meal replacement shake designed to help you lose weight isn't gonna taste great, but some of this stuff I have tried, I've spent, a decent amount of money on, tried one shake and threw away the rest. So I need some help. Maybe you all have been down this road before, maybe you haven't. I'm looking for a low carb, low sugar, keto friendly. I don't know if it has to be all natural or gluten free, vegan, blah, 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 but a neutral to positive to good tasting meal replacement shake. And I will do a challenge consuming 2 meal replacement shakes a day, possibly some snacks, one reasonable meal, and I will do that until the container is empty and see where that takes me. Let me know what you recommend. I've seen a lot of positive reviews on 310 meal replacement shakes, but I just watched one where this girl was like really real and said everything tasted like sawdust. So I'm a little hesitant to spend $60 on 30 meals or whatever the supply is. So yeah, hit me up, Facebook, email, if you've got my information, or just reply on here and let me know what you think. Let me know if you've been down this road before. Let me know what your favorite meal replacement shake is that has the most vitamins and nutrients and pronounceable ingredients. All right, thank you very much. Please consider subscribing, and we'll talk to you later. Have a good day.